Staying at a private luxury game lodge has always been on my bucket list. When I was at home, I decided to pay a visit and stay over at Rain Farm Lodge for a couple of nights. This is a quick tour of the premises just to show you what to expect, starting off with the reception area. On our way to our chalets, there were also loads of tiny little springboks. I won't talk much here and I'll just let the room tour do its thing, but this was basically the honeymoon suite in case anyone is interested in going. The sofas were a bit aged for me, but it's okay because it's only a couple of nights. Outside you guys can see the braai area, and braai is also like a barbecue for us South Africans. And this 4-poster bed, like, I'm not yet married, I've never had a honeymoon, but let's just say that this ticked a massive box. The place I was staying in also had a small little kitchenette. This is the bathroom, and the best thing is at the back I actually also had my own personal jacuzzi. I know I didn't use it because I wasn't there long enough, and there was also this outdoor shower which was absolutely immaculate looking. After we got settled in, we went over to the main common areas, and to be honest with you, this place was just absolutely stunning. And they had lots of African inspired art, which I appreciate, especially because obviously it is South Africa. After admiring the place, we settled down for lunch, so I thought that this menu was very affordable. But I'm saying that coming and using a British pound sterling, and as you guys can tell, I really was craving a pint. So we had our lunch, and then after lunchtime, we went and grabbed some drinks and just chilled out in the bar area until my cousins turned up a couple of hours later. So guys, I'm here with my cousins and my uncle, and we shouldn't be here because we're not allowed.
Hi guys! When are you here?
But we're here.
Good day, mate.
G'day, g'day! Oh my god. But it's so cute to be here with my cousins. I just fucking adore them so much. But anyway, we're having a Shisanyama/braai. I prepared this. I hope it tastes banging. I hope it slaps. And then here it is. But this is like so cute. Here we go.
I don't like your stuff, well done.
Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous though.
Should be fine.
So guys, our braai is finally ready. So this is what things are looking like. And then my chakalaka is here, the boobles. Ooh. When we woke up, it was a bit rainy and miserable, so we had breakfast and then we headed out to our game drive. Just to give you guys some context, we were the first ones of the day because you always want to do this in the morning because you have the best chance of seeing more animals as they've just woken up and they need to get fed. If there's one thing about me is I just adore African animals. I'll let you guys just enjoy some of our experience.
There's a blue wildebeest straight ahead.
As they are waiting to they fly away. The plant is toxic when it's in the shed. No animal eats it except for the monarch butterflies. They lay their eggs on the plant. And also milkweed, the grasshoppers, they eat the leaves. So
But you used to.
I'm just asking these ladies if they know this plant.
Yeah.
Do you know it?
Which one?
This one with kind of fruits.
I recognize it, but I don't remember what it's called.
I don't know them, but I know the other ones are castor.
Yeah, those are castor. Castor plants, the other side of the fence. But this is known as a wild cotton plant.
Oh.
Or the milkweed. Milkweed.
Okay.
So those are seed pods.
How would you know whether it's male, female?
With the zebras.
Yeah.
Okay. The most reliable way to tell their sexes is by looking at their backsides. The males, which are the females, they've got a broader leg strap which runs in between.
After the game drive, I got ready to go out and explore Ballito just a bit more. So Ballito is this really nice quintessential town just outside of Durban, and it's by the sea coast, so everyone was on holidays and they were all out just enjoying the relaxed life, and I was just joining in with them, to be honest. So right now we basically went to this nice little hotel and we grabbed ourselves a drink, and my friend got herself a snack. After just gossiping and having a drink, we decided to head over to the shopping mall. South Africa has a lot of shopping malls and there's plenty of shops, both South African as well as Western shops. So I decided that as it was colder than I anticipated, I needed to get warmer clothing. So I popped over to Cotton On and tried some jeans. So this is me in the changing rooms, and to be honest with you, it's a South African YouTuber that got me onto Cotton On because it's an Aussie brand, so we don't have it here in the UK. Love my jeans that I got from there, so super happy with those purchases. And after that, my friend had to go to Mr. Price. Okay, so we're up to Mr. Price now, guys. Mr. Price is for frogs, fake crocs. After shopping for a few hours, we returned back to the lodge because this was our last and final night. So we decided to have an absolutely delicious dinner. The wine was impeccable. Like, I'm a huge fan of South African wines, and we basically settled down, had some drinks, had some food, and just reminisced over the great couple of days we'd had. Always the case though. This is so nice. And after we finished eating, we went over to the bar area, had a couple of more drinks, met some Cape Townians, and to be honest with you, this was the end of this chapter of my trip.